today's creepy video, watch as I hear weird sounds coming from my room. I hear a bottle creaking. I can hear a plastic bag being squashed. My bag falls off the table for no reason at all, and I'm awoken with a prod in my tummy. Listen out for the sounds as I set up my video and let it record and leave the room. Was this hotel haunted? Let's go and find out.
Okay, here is the shower area. So this all looks pretty nice. You have a sink and a toilet here, and you got some towels. There's also some soapy stuff here and a hairdryer. There's also a heated towel roll on the side, and if we just pan the camera down, there is the sink. I've opened the soap bar, and then you've got the shower on this side, which also looks pretty good. Looks pretty nice to me. I will say it is a bit kind of grummy and mouldy down the bottom here. But you know, that's just a minor thing. It's not the cleanest, as you can see, but it will do. So this room comes with plenty of storage space. There's a safe here to use with hangers and extra pillows and a duvet too. Okay, and here's the big reveal. This is what it looks like out the window. Well, there's a kind of view there. It's off the air conditioning unit again. Not the best view. Someone's shoes are outside that window. Does look like there's a bit of a garden down there though.
The following day.
Hey everyone, slightly different type of vlog today. So I've been staying here in the Villa Tosca hotel here in Cannes today, and there was some really strange things going on last night. First thing was this water bottle here. I heard it like creak suddenly like that. Maybe it was the warm air or maybe the air conditioning unit. I'm not sure, it was really strange. And then the second thing a little while later was I could hear someone scrunching up like a paper bag, like that kind of sound, which was really strange as well. Anyway, it's about 5 a.m. or so, and I continue sleeping, and then suddenly my bag falls off the table. Now this was sitting firmly on the table and it ended up on the floor, and I'll show you what that looks like now. Really strange. This room does feel a bit creepy. I don't really feel at home, so I gotta say this room does feel really creepy, and I've got my stuff. It's in the morning and I'm gonna be leaving as soon as I can. But before I go, what I'm gonna do is set up the camera and just leave the room and see if the camera picks anything up. So let's do that and see what I find, and I'll let the video roll for 5 minutes or so. See you soon. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave the room now and I'll see what the camera picks up and review the footage later. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so that's me just checked out of the Hotel La Villa Tosca, and I'm just going to show you the street view because this is in a really cool location. There's like bars and restaurants all around. So let's just flip the camera around if I can do that. All right, there you go. There is the bagel cafe. This is where I had a bit of breakfast. Lovely bagel. You've got a whiskey shop here. You've got an optician and courier as well. So that is the Hotel La Villa Tosca. It's a 3-star hotel and it's in a really good location because if I just wheel my suitcase over here, you've got this restaurant as well, Bistro La Casanova, and as you can see it's completely packed. Actually there's lots of tables here, it's not completely packed. It's not quite lunchtime yet, so I guess people are still having a bit of breakfast, late breakfast, about 11 o'clock, 11:15 now, and the high street looks pretty busy. So you can see the bagel cafe again, and a few other cafes, and Hotel Rocher. So guys, with that, it is absolutely roasting here. I'm actually like dripping with sweat. What I'm going to do is make my way on to the next hotel, and what I'll do is catch you up there, and maybe I'll do a walk to the other hotel so you can see what it's like, and I'll see you in the next vlog soon. Take care.